Well. So it's been one of those weekends, actually. Big birthday weekend for me, so I've treated myself to this. Now, I've kind of always not really given it much thought, to be honest. So I've always thought to myself, nah. So I had to go on one of these a couple of years ago, and couldn't really see what it brought to the table that was different to the Helix, to be fair. So anyway, thought just had a big birthday, so I thought I'd treat myself, and let's have a look what's in the box. What's in the box? So I'm not going to put any links up for this at all, so nobody sponsors this, as you know. This is just going to be a quick unboxing of, you probably already know what it is because it'll be in the title. But yeah, you know, let's have a look what we've got in here then. Some nice, environmentally friendly cardboard, of course. Oh, and a big heavy box. The plot thickens. So yeah, I thought I'd give the Neural a go. Been hanging my nose over one for a few years now. Never really gave it a decent crack of the whip, and I think with this new mini version, my thoughts on it are, if you could have the big pedal without having the expression, you might as well have a smaller form factor, to be fair. But in any case, look, let's give it a go, eh? So it comes in a lovely box, I must say. I saw this at the guitar show this week, Saturday, and I thought it looked really good. And again, I really love the plugins. I did have a little play on one of these once. Then I just didn't really give it much time, and even at the guitar show, you couldn't really have a great play because it's so noisy at these places. But anyway, look, nice box, very Apple-esque, aren't they? Very, very Apple-esque. Still writing on the side there. And yeah, nothing on the back really. A nice box, I'll give them that. Very well packaged. Nice bit of foam in there. And there we go. There she is. Yeah. Such a great form factor. I didn't think I liked it to start with, but you know what? Having seen it in the flesh, it really does. It really is a nice form factor. I think it'll certainly fit on my AM4 board in place of the AM4. So, and I'll use a bit of MIDI to get the switches that are missing on this. Obviously, I didn't know that. So there are actually a couple of physical buttons there. I didn't realise that. Okay, so let's put that there for a second, shall we? As they do on these I don't normally do unboxings, but with this I thought, you know what, why not? Why not? You get the normal wall wart power supply. Pretty standard nowadays for this kind of thing. Nice USB-C cable. Line 6 should probably take note of that. And all different country ends will be using the UK one because that's where we are. And then there's a little packet here. A bit of what's it? Oh, it's got feet stickers in it. It's got all sorts, look, all sorts stickers, plectrums, feet, all that stuff we're never going to use, you know. Anyway, chuck that away. Yeah, so there she is. The Quad Cortex Mini. Only mini in size though, so still got all the same processing power as its big brother. Yeah, so you can see there the inputs and outputs on there. So we've got balanced outs on XLR, input 1, got return 1, 2, so I assume that's stereo, an expression pedal, MIDI on MIDI on 3.5mm jack, USB-C, headphone out, send 1 and 2, capture out because, of course, it does captures out 3 and out 4, so another SAM. I'm not sure if they're balanced or not. You've got the power, the locking power supply actually on this one. It locks in, so that's what's it? And then we've got input 2 on a combi on the end there, so you can plug a microphone in or do what you want. First impressions, it's just so well built. I mean, that's what really turned me onto it at the guitar show. I was surprised just how well built it is. And it, you know, I'm going to say it again, but it's that Apple-esque type thing. Shall I switch it on for you? Shall I? I'll switch it on so you can see it light up. Why not? Why not? I'll tell you what, so I'll fire it up so you can see it fired up, and then I'll disappear, and then we'll have a look at some sounds. Won't be a massive demo of this, of course. This will just be an introduction to it, and excuse me, a bit of a nasty throat at the minute. But yeah, so I'll plug it in. I'll have a little play around with it, and then give you a few tones from it. I'll just use the presets that come with it, so that's always quite a good. How do you do this? There we go. So yeah, so you just put your particular region's power outlet adapter onto that, and Bob's your uncle. Right, I'll just plug this in just a second. I think might just reach. Since it's got a locking mechanism on, I don't think you'll be able to see it very well. You put it in and you turn it, and it locks in place, which is a great idea. Oh, it's lit up already. Yeah, so that's locked in now. I see lights. That's good, isn't it? Lights. No idea how long one of these things takes to start. I assume it's started. Shall I press the button? Oh, no, it wasn't starting. There we go. And it's booting up. So like I say, folks, I'll get it hooked up in some form and ping some preset tones over for you, of course, with my mediocre playing ability. Looking good so far, isn't it? Hey, if you like this kind of thing, you know, unbox. I don't normally do unboxings, to be fair, but I thought I'd do this one. If you do like this kind of thing, yeah, why not like the video, maybe subscribe, and click the little bell, and you'll be notified as soon as I do a new video. Got quite a few on there now. Just started the channel, so all the help is really, really welcome. Right, I'm going to cut you off there, and I'll see you when I've had a little fiddle with this.